Hey guys, I have got to do my discussion thingy. Sorry I'm late to the party. I'm experiencing burnout just like I'm sure all of you are because it's the end of the semester. So, hash functions. There are three main hash functions, mid-square, radix, and, I just did this one. Extraction. And they're really just three different ways to hash. So let's get through it real quickly. Mid-square hashing is a hashing technique in which the key is multiplied by itself and the address is obtained by selecting an appropriate number of digits from the middle square. So basically you pull a number from the middle and you square it, or you square the number and then pull the number from the middle. So like if your key is 31, square it, you get 961 and you want to pull that middle number from it. What happens if they're the same number? Well, we know what happens when we have combinations that ends up like a linked list, same thing. So it's not perfect. But it is a way to have more perfect hashing than you might have if you just thrown the data in there and said, these are the keys. Same with this one. So this is the extraction function. You're basically just extracting random digits. So for example, this one is an employee ID number where you're using three numbers from the middle of the employee ID to create the address. So for example, this one, they want to select the first, third, and fourth digits to use them as that like address or key. So they're pulling the first, which is 3, and then the third and fourth, which is 9 and 4. So you get 394. And they're hoping that this is going to create a more perfect way of hashing things than just chunking their data and assigning it a random number. So a radix transformation, this one goes over my head a little bit because like I've told you guys before, I don't really like math. So this involves converting the key to a different number base and using parts of the resulting number as a hash value. So you are transforming into a base and then using random numbers. It's wild. It's useful when the keys are not random and have a pattern that can be dispersed, which I feel like is a lot of these. Like, I feel like radix transformations are going to be the most helpful for when the keys are not random, and then maybe extraction and mid-score would be better for more random data. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the discussion because this was a little wild for me, this last one in particular, the radix function. So thanks guys. See you next time.